Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be looking at GameStop, but we're doing something a little bit different today. Let's see if you can notice what it is. I have no idea what it could be, not one bit slightly. But anyway, we're going to look at GameStop. We're going to be talking about the price moves on the day, how well it's done, because it's been a pretty damn good day. And then we're going to go through one of the indicators I like. We're going to do a bit of technical analysis here to show how good this movement is. And let's bring up the price right now. So you can see GameStop is currently at $216.97 a share. That is up 3.7% on the day. That's a great day. And let's even go on the daily chart right now. So you can see it has been as high as $211 a share. Sorry, as low as $211 a share, but as high as $222. Look at those peaks there, almost identical. In fact, I've seen $222 before, so let's zoom out a little bit. You can see here that was at about the high we had in those previous days in August 24th and August 25th when the stock really started to jump. So there's definitely something behind 222 that we need to get past. So I might even add a line on that for the next video to try and track this. Actually, let's just do it right now. Let's put that on there. So we'll put you there and then straighten that out with a shift key. And let's keep an eye on this for the next few days and weeks and see what secrets are beyond the 222 line. But that is not why we're here today. We're here to look at one of the indicators I really like. So let's go up into the indicators and type in MACD. So let's just bring that up. But before I get into that, let's just go on the year chart, because I think this is the best one. You want to look at the dailies. So you can see we've got the lines there, we've got the 480, we've got the 350, we've got the lows. And if we just go on the log, you can see that this is still going up and up and up, which is what we want to see. Anyway, why do I like MACD? Let's go up to the top. Well, I've said MACD before. MACD is a moving average convergence divergence oscillator, which is obviously the MACD part of it. And the thing I like it is a trend following, it's trend following and momentum based. It offers the best of both worlds. It fluctuates above and below the zero line as the moving averages converge, cross and diverge. So let's just have a look at this chart here. We've got the MACD line and we've got the signal line. Now, if I go back to GameStop, we have the MACD line here in blue and then we have the signal line in orange. So I did talk about this a few weeks ago. When the signal lines crossed here, they're also shown as by the histogram here. When it's negative, it's red. When it's positive, it's green. So I said that this is a good time for GameStop because we're in the positive. And then the price went from, what, $156. And once we hit about 6 days of the positive, which was the longest we'd seen, and it was these three other previous price movements where it was more than just a few days. You can see we've got the 3. You can see we've got the 3 there. Once it was multiple, I said get ready for some big movements. And this is also combining with all the other DD we've seen. It's not just me who said that. It was just something that I thought we should look out for. But anyway, as you can see here, that once the MACD line crossed the signal line, we got some great price movement on the upside. So that is what we call a signal line crossover. So these are the most common ones. As I said, it's when the lines cross and then it's on the positive side. So you can see here, there's an example, cross, 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 cross. But we're not talking about that one because we've seen some crosses in the past. Cross there, cross there. The real bullish thing I'm looking at, which I want to bring attention to, is the fact that we have the MACD line and the signal line here. We have the scale of 0, and not only has the signal line crossed over the the MACD line, we've also got the signal line. So what is this? Well, this is a signal line crossover. That's not one, sorry. That is a center line crossover. This is the a bullish center line crossover occurs when the MACD line moves above 0 and turns positive. This can last days or months depending on that, and it will remain, the MACD will remain as positive as there's a sustained uptrend, which I suppose is the key thing there. It's sustained. These resulting signals work well because strong trends emerge with these centerline crossovers. There are some examples. You can see when they've crossed over, bang, big movement on the up, bang, big movement on the up, big movement on the up. But in terms of GameStop, when have we last seen this signal line crossover? Well, if we go back here to January, over on the positive side, and this was the initial 450 spike. God knows how high it would have gone if the brokers didn't shut off all the trading for GameStop, so that was a dark day for us. And you can see here, once again, the lines go positive, and this was the first 350 spike. Even though MACD went positive there wasn't the crossover, there wasn't the centerline crossover, and then the next centerline crossover was here, which was just before the big second 350 movement. So we've got one here, we've got a crossover on this side, we've got a crossover here as well, just before the movement, and we've got obviously the crossovers here. So when's the next time we've seen that? Bang, there. So based on MACD, we are seeing some pretty big moves, and this could be the next big price movement, similar to what we've seen in March and June. Now, this isn't just because of MACD. We know that this is also because of the trading cycles, the derivative trading cycles that I showed the DD from Cryon the other day, which was these quarterly ones. So they said that September is going to be the next big one, and it looks like that's right on schedule. And then the one following that would be December. Now, why September is obviously a good time period for the apes and GameStop and the MOAS. Well, September is when a lot of the market crashes have happened. 2008, the Black Friday, was it Black Monday? One of the black days, that was in 1987. So if you just bring up the S&P 500 quickly, S&P 500, and we look at other crashes, let's just go to the all, you can see that we have, oh, well, the line's a bit small. You can see that this one, August, September, .com crash, November, and then it was at the bottom. You can see during then, July, March, August, October. So once again on that side. So yeah, so that is MACD and why it's very relevant to GameStop right now. So let's just bring it up once again. We'll go to GameStop GME, our favorite stock of the day, of the week, of the year, I would say. It's been an eye-opening experience for me. So this is what we are liking to see here. We haven't seen this since January, March, and June. And what did these all have in common? Big price movements on the upside. Not just a little one like we've seen over the past couple of days. We're talking, what is this? This is a 120 to, a 200% increase, 100% increase, and whatever the heck that was, a few thousand%. So we're expecting big movements in the next coming days because this signal is showing that the momentum is on our side. Not necessarily the MACD line is why this stock is moving up. It's to show momentum, and we care about momentum because as momentum goes up and up and up, what does that mean? Well, the price goes up, the shorts are losing money, the hedge funds are losing money. They can't just keep on kicking the can down the road. These the margin calls are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and then eventually they will have to they'll have to close, they'll have to cover their positions, but they can't. And then what does that happen? Well, we're going one way and it's up that way and it's to the moon. So so hopefully this is what we're seeing next. Right, guys, just want to say thank you very much for watching the video. Give a like if you enjoyed it. Give a like for the new part of the video that I have tried to do here. Leave a comment down below if you notice any difference between this video and any other videos, and I will catch you guys next time.